I'm Candace Burns.
And I'm Andy Sirota. Sarah Hartsfield has been in jail since the beginning of February, and for the first time, she left the jail to appear in court in person. KPRC 2's Bryce Newberry has been following this case for us. You were in the courtroom today, Bryce, so walk us through what happened.
Yeah, so this was her second attempt at getting her bond reduced. She did make her second attempt there in court, and the judge did drop her bond $500,000, so it's now set at $4 million, which is still more than her attorney says she can afford to get out. But this was also the first time that she was in the courtroom. Take a look here. This is video of her walking across the street from the jail over to the courthouse. She did keep her head down the entire time, and she did not speak as she walked up those stairs, as you see her right there. Inside the court this morning, she did take the stand when the Chambers County DA grilled her about her relationship with her deceased husband, Joseph Hartsfield. Cameras were not allowed inside, but his uncle testified that he was afraid of what she might do when he tried to leave her, and that Joseph Hartsfield was trying to figure out where to stay. Tensions did flare a bit when the prosecutor asked Hartsfield about a Facebook message about coming up with an exit strategy, then said, "You got him to leave, didn't you?" Hartsfield told the DA she did not understand how she could say that to her and that she did not do anything to harm her husband.
So she's saying she didn't understand. I mean, is this typical for a court hearing involving Sarah Hartsfield?
Well, we have seen the DA press her with some pretty pointed questions before, but this was the first time that it happened in person, both women face to face. Her defense attorney says the prosecutor is mischaracterizing some of the testimony, though.
She knows her job, she knows what she's doing, and she's trying to see if she can make Sarah out to be the monster that they think that she is, and she's not. She's trying to spark her, and she's not going to fall for that.
And Bryce, from what we understand, she killed a fiance in self-defense and then asked an ex-husband to kill another ex-husband's wife. How did that play out in court today?
So the Minnesota shooting investigation did come up, as well as that alleged murder plot. Both of those things were brought up. Hartsfield took no responsibility for either of those, which is when the DA asked her if this is all just a bunch of conspiracies against her or if there's anything she'll ever take responsibility for.
I just want to keep the public mindful to hold off on putting judgment on Sarah. I've been approached many times saying, hey, did she really kill 5 husbands? No, she didn't. She's been married 5 times. Those marriages haven't worked out. Being married 5 times is not a crime.
And prosecutors had a binder about this thick with them in court today. They said they are still investigating. Much of that evidence is now being turned over to the defense. The judge did urge both sides to get this to trial as soon as practical. But as for that lower $4 million bond, Andy and Candace, Joseph Hartsfield's family told me that they are not happy with it. They believe she needs to stay where she is. And his mother actually said that she's afraid of what will happen if Sarah Hartsfield gets out of jail.
So the family's certainly experiencing a lot of fear as we continue to track these twists and turns in this case. Right? Great job. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Bryce.